This is how to use Catalog Avatar in Please Donate. So you want to get to your Roblox application and then click on Home and then go to Search and search for Catalog Avatar Creator. Click on that. And then this is the one you should click on. And you join. Once you've joined, then you can click on Catalog. And then here is where you can play and put on anything you want. Try it. Maybe put on these pants. We'll just change that for simplicity. And maybe that. All right, and then now that we're done, we just open the chat, click here, and type this / please donate. And then just click this, and it says teleporting. It instantly teleports you to the please donate. And there we go. Now you can see that I have these pants and these white feet that I selected. And you can also see the coat hanger, which means that I don't really own some of these that I'm wearing right now.